In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Part 2, and let me show you how to change voicemail sound on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone the other, then go to the more icon and select settings. And here you will notice voicemail right here. Go to the notifications, and if you will open advanced features, you will be able to see sound. So just click on it. And now let me show you all of the options that you can apply. And then just go to the one that you like the most. Let me pick Don't Panic, tap on OK, and it has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.